Blow the candle, Day.
Jan, jaran, jan,
Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday!
Hey!
Pa-demure.
Happy birthday!
Sige, take this opportunity to thank yung mga pasasalamatan
So,
mo.
una-una po sa lahat, thank you kay Lord for all these blessings. Thank you po. Attorney Gozan, thank you. Mr. Duavit, Ma'am Wilma Galvante, Miss Darling, thank you. Miss Hazel, maraming salamat po. To Direct Louie, Kuya Perry, to SOP staff and crew, thank you so much po. GMA Artist Center, Ma'am Ida Henares, thank you. GMA Records, Sir Rene, and the rest of the gang. Mr. Benny Saturno, Sir Zev, thank you for the wonderful songs. And Ate Rocky and to Shirley Lustado, Bello Medical Group, thank you. Sir Pepsi and Ricky Reyes, thank you. Ang dami, no? Kuya Ray de la Cruz, Kuya Dindi, and my professors in PLM, and my family, of course, Santos and Coronel family, friends and fans and faces, thank you. SOP family once again. And yun po, yung kinanta ko kanina, Make Me Believe, it's my second single from my debut album entitled Make Me Believe It. It's under GMA Records. Do grab a copy, available pa rin po siya. Thank you, Ate Geneva, Ate Bituin.
Asan si Geneva?
There.
Si Bituin nandito. Thank you for singing.
Thank you po.
Ay, naku, ganyan talaga pag birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo. Happy birthday and something new, something hip from your favorite celebrity sa pagbabalik ng nag-iisang SOP!
Pag matagal nang magkapiling, hindi ba't ang sarap ng feeling?
Ang sarap ng feeling dahil part ako ng isang Filipino tradisyon. Ipinagmamalaki ko, isa akong batang Rebisco.
Ang sarap ng feeling mo.
Sa paglipas ng panahon, ito pa rin ang Bitoy's favorite. Wala pa rin kapalit.
Parati kang maaas.
This year, Rebisco is bigger and better. Today, we are going to witness something new and exciting sa paborito natin, Rebisco Cracker Sandwich.
Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo.
Bigger and better?
That's right, Jaya, because today, we are celebrating Rebisco's 45th anniversary. Kaya naman kasama natin ang dalawang Rebisco family para sa naiibang celebration.
We have the Sarmiento family and Ricketts family.
Stop, look and listen, baby, that's my philosophy. It's called rubbernecking, baby, but that's alright with me. You came to me, freed me from misery.
I touched the music and you started to feel so happy. Makes me jump up and down. You know my heart skips a beat each time that we meet. I am so happy I met you. Happy, I'm feeling so happy. I'm gonna be happy. You make me so happy. Can't you see I'm happy now? Pag matagal nang magkapiling, hindi ba't ang sarap ng feeling? Tagal na
pagsasamahan, hindi maaring palitan. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan, parati kang maaasahan. Kaya ang sarap ng feeling mo, walang tatalo sa'yo. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo. Ay saya ng mundo ko, mula nang tayo'y magkatagpo. Noon ngayon magpakailanman, hinding-hindi iiwanan. Kaya habang tumatagal, lalo kitang minamahal. Wala nang hahanapin pa, sa'yo ako maligaya. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo.
And you've just seen the new look of the Rebisco Cracker Sandwich.
Siyempre, sarap na rin ang feeling. Salamat po sa dalawang Rebisco families, Sarmiento family, Romnick, Harlin, and kids.
At ang Ricketts family, sina Ronnie, Marias, and kids. Alam nyo, pagdating sa bago, di magpapahuli ang Rebisco.
They have a new commercial na mapapanood nyo na mamaya. But for now, here's a sneak preview. Yan, panoorin natin.
Pag matagal nang magkapiling, hindi ba't ang sarap ng feeling? Tagal ng pagsasamahan, hindi maaring palitan. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan, parati kang maaasahan. Kaya ang sarap ng feeling mo, walang tatalo sa'yo. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo. Saya ng mundo ko, mula nang tayo'y magkatagpo. Noon ngayon, pagkailanman, hindi iiwanan. Kaya habang tumatagal, lalo kitang minamahal. Wala nang hanapin pa, sa'yo ako maligaya. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo. Rebisco, ang sarap ng feeling mo.
Yan.
Wow!
Patikim pa lang, exciting na po. Kaya alam mo nang mag-hit sa mga teenagers.
Pero bago natin ituloy ang kasiyahan, batiin muna natin ang lahat ng mga taga-Rebisco na nandito.
Ayan.
At advance happy birthday sa kanilang marketing director na si Mr. Ray De Los
Which one?
Reyes.
Ayan, happy birthday po, sir.
Happy birthday, kaibigan ko yan.
Talaga.
Tama na ang paghihintay dahil ibibigay na namin ang isa pang exciting change mula sa Rebisco. Tutukan nyo, here's the newest commercial of Rebisco.
Ang sarap ng feeling mo!
Nung panahon na groovy pa si Mami at si Daddy, ibang sarap ng feeling ng Rebisco nila dati.
When your ate and your kuya ay naging bagets, sarap ng feeling ng Rebisco sandwiches. They can't forget.
Yo, DJ! Give it up! Ang sarap rap ng feeling for Generation X. Now beat Rebisco sandwiches for Generation Next.
May bagong generation na ng Rebisco sandwiches. May thicker crackers na, may thicker feelings pa. Ibang dating. Bagong sarap ng feeling para sa generation natin.
Rebisco! Rebisco! Rebisco natin to! Rebisco! 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 Ang sarap ng feeling mo!
Hey, welcome back at nais po namin pasalamatan ang ating mga pambihirang mga sponsors. Thank you to Waffle Time.